Hi everyone and welcome to my place. This I did for Gloria quite some time ago. It's called a potted fleur. It's an old Victorian design in which they used to use roses and berries and flowers of the season and plants, and they would have these great big huge gorgeous floral extravaganzas, and I just love them, and I feel that it's time to bring them back. Gloria and many hundreds of others loved this design, and when I left it I said I would be back to share just what you can do once your structure is in place. So pretty much have a look at refer back to the original video that I did, but pretty much it's just your urn down the bottom, and then I've put a candelabra on the top. Haven't put any candles into it at this stage because I did want to tell you that in a lot of the venues these days you're not allowed to have burning candles. So what I do is I use the taper candles with the little batteries in them, and they are fantastic because you can get a good 10 to 12 hours out of those if the manufacturer isn't telling lies. So anyway, this is the design, and it's not even, it's a little bit of this here, a little bit of that there, and it's just to be relaxed and informal because I think that that's just more pleasant on the eye than something that's just like tightly bound. But anyway, I wanted to, as I said, I wanted to share other flowers that you could, or other things that you could do with it. So Gloria tells me that she has a lavender bride coming up, so I just thought, well, why not? We'll start with lavender because I'm going to keep coming back to this, and we'll go through to the spring and even maybe into Christmas with fabulous ways that you can transform this into something glorious. Okay, so I've got some three different coloured ways of hydrangeas. I've also got some white roses, and I've got some lavender roses, and it is just a matter of, now you can either cut these or you can bend these. I'm just going to cut mine because I don't want to cut anything at this stage, and it's just a matter of poking those in through to there. Don't worry about that being a bit too far in out the road because we can push that down into there. I'm going to bring that one down and through into there like so, and then bring that around to there, and I'll repeat it on this side with that over to there. I've got these lovely lavender white roses, some more of these, so I'm just going to bring those up and into there. And of course when I did this I used chicken mesh, so when you're putting your flowers in you just have to be sort of like holding your tongue until you get those into place, and I will get it into place because I'm the boss of this flower arrangement. So that can go down and into there, and then I'll bring another one over and into there. So see, now that's sticking out just a little bit too far at this stage, but don't worry about that because I'll fix it in a moment. Now I've got this lovely little lighter lavender one, so I'm going to push that into there, and then because I've done that on that side, I'm going to bring that up and over to there. And then with these beautiful roses, I'm just going to poke those down. That's really is annoying me, so I'm going to fix that right now. Take that in and over to there, and then with those, instead of just doing dispersing them through, I'm just going to bring those down and into there like so. That's fallen down, but that's okay. That one can go over and into there like so, and then I'll bring this one up and into there. So how is that for very, very easy designing? And that is really annoying me, that one over there. So I just have to take it out, and I just have to do it properly so that we do have everything in place. And I think that what's really lovely about these for wedding conventions or for standalone displays is, as the seasons come and go, if you want to, you can just like take your flowers in and out and just build up a picture of something that looks continuously beautiful. The other thing that would be really lovely to put into here would be like lovely little flowering African violets. But isn't that just delicious? Not much involved, but it changes the look up. I look forward to seeing you another day with another version of how to take this to another level. I hope you enjoyed it. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. See you again another day.